Looking for shower or wet room installation in Ardrossan? At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand how important it is to have a bathroom that combines style, functionality, and durability. Our shower or wet room installation services provide custom solutions, including walk-in showers and fully waterproof wet rooms designed for modern living. Whether you're upgrading for better accessibility, aesthetics, or functionality, we ensure your installation is both seamless and long-lasting. In Ardrossan, we know the local need for high-quality, reliable bathroom solutions, which is why our team is dedicated to delivering precision and efficiency with every project. Keep watching to see why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for shower or wet room installation in Ardrossan.